Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smoothie making blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a health enthusiast looking to whip up the perfect smoothie or just need a reliable blender for daily use, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. This mid-range option is built with durability in mind, offering a 700-watt motor and the patented wave action system to handle everything from smoothies to icy drinks with ease. The 40-ounce glass jar is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. And the blender features a total of 14 functions for maximum versatility. In terms of design and build quality, the Wave Crusher feels sturdy, with its stainless steel accents and a well-sealed glass jar. The Ice Saber blades are sharp enough to crush ice and frozen fruits consistently, and the intuitive control panel makes it easy to switch between blending modes. However, the blender does have a slightly larger footprint compared to other models, so it might not be the best fit for smaller countertops. Performance-wise, it delivers smooth results for most recipes, but the motor can occasionally struggle with harder ingredients like frozen chunks of fruit. It's an excellent choice for casual users who want a reliable, affordable option for everyday blending tasks. The 3-year limited warranty adds extra peace of mind. Pros include its durable build, multiple blending functions, and affordability. On the downside, it may not be the best for heavy-duty blending or ultra-smooth textures. Overall, it's a solid budget-friendly pick for occasional smoothie enthusiasts. Coming in at number 4, we have the Black Decker Power Crush Countertop Blender. This blender offers a 700-watt motor and a 6-cup glass jar, making it a great option for families or anyone who needs to blend larger batches. Its standout feature is the Quad Pro blade technology, which creates a powerful vortex to ensure consistent blending. You'll love its 4-speed settings, which allow you to easily toggle between blending, chopping, pulsing, and crushing ice. The design is sleek and modern, with a durable BPA-free glass jar that feels sturdy and well-made. The perfect pour spout minimizes drips and spills, which is always a plus when serving drinks. The intuitive push-button controls are straightforward, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe, making post-blending cleanup a hassle-free process. In terms of performance, this blender excels at making smoothies and icy drinks, though it might require a little extra time with tougher ingredients like seeds or fibrous veggies. At $44.99, it sits comfortably in the mid-price range, while offering solid value for its features. Its strengths lie in its robust build quality, ease of use, and versatility, but it does fall short in raw power when compared to higher-end models. If you're looking for a reliable blender with a balance of performance and affordability, the Power Crush is worth considering. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, which is our budget pick on this list. Priced at just $31.96, this blender is a fantastic option for those seeking affordability without sacrificing too much functionality. Powered by a 700-watt motor and equipped with stainless steel Ice Saber blades, it offers 12 blending functions, making it versatile enough for smoothies, milkshakes, and even salsas. The design is compact and lightweight, featuring a 40-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar and a convenient spout for mess-free pouring. The patented wave action system ensures that ingredients are continuously pushed down towards the blades, allowing for smoother blends. However, the build quality reflects its budget price. While functional, the plastic components may not hold up to heavy, long-term use. In terms of performance, this blender is best suited for light-duty tasks. It handles frozen fruits and ice reasonably well, but it may struggle with tougher ingredients over time. The 3-year limited warranty is a welcome addition, offering some reassurance despite its low price point. In summary, this is a great entry-level blender for casual users or those on a tight budget. Its pros include affordability, ease of use, and compact design, while its cons include limited durability, and slightly inconsistent blending power for tougher recipes. Our runner-up is the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender, a powerful and versatile option for those who want professional-grade performance at home. With an impressive 1100-watt motor and a 72-ounce pitcher, this blender can handle everything from smoothies to sauces with ease. It also comes with two 16-ounce to-go cups, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. The design is sleek and ergonomic, with a sturdy build quality that lives up to its professional branding. The total crushing blades are incredibly effective at pulverizing ice and frozen ingredients, delivering consistently smooth results. The inclusion of 3 manual speed settings and a pulse function gives you excellent control over your blending tasks. And all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for added convenience. In terms of performance, this blender is a powerhouse. It tackles tough ingredients like seeds, nuts, and frozen fruits with ease, making it ideal for smoothie enthusiasts and meal preppers alike. The only downside is its size. It's a bit bulky and may not be the best fit for smaller kitchens. At $109.99, it's on the pricier side, but the added functionality and high-quality build justify the cost. If you're serious about blending, the Ninja BL660 is a fantastic investment. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. This is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a premium blending experience. With a 1400-watt motor and Auto IQ technology, it combines raw power with smart functionality to deliver exceptional results every time. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for making large batches. Whether you're prepping for a family gathering or simply stocking up on smoothies for the week. The build quality is excellent, featuring a modern, stylish design with a durable plastic construction. The Auto IQ technology is a game changer, offering pre-programmed settings for smoothies, frozen drinks, and even ice cream. These programs take the guesswork out of blending, allowing you to achieve consistent results with minimal effort. Like the BL660, the BN701 is dishwasher safe and BPA-free, ensuring easy maintenance. Performance-wise, this blender is unmatched. It effortlessly crushes ice, purees fruits, and even processes tougher ingredients like nuts and seeds. The only real drawback is the price. It's tied with the BL660 at $109.99, but its additional features and smart technology make it well worth the investment. If you're looking for a high-end blender that can handle anything you throw at it, the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect blender for your smoothie making needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy blending.